I will talk about how can you select, how can comment on your Clapper app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do in the first, you just go down here, you click here on this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. You go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you just click here on privacy and safety. So then it's going to take you to next step here, just switching to open with you. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on comment management, you just click on it. And here can you select if you want to add everyone or friends or no one here. Here can you select who can comment on your posts. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.